In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Apple Watch cannot wake up. It has a black screen. No matter which button you press, the screen simply stays black. There's a few solutions, so let's start with the easiest of them. That is to simply press the crown of your watch at the same time as the button right under until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. So let me do it with you. I simply press both of these buttons, keep pressed, no matter what happens on the screen. Imagine the screen is black and wait at this point. Usually after 8 or to 10 seconds, the Apple logo will appear and you'll be able to release those buttons. So I'm still waiting a few more seconds here. Here we go, the Apple logo appeared. I can release. And now give your watch at least 2 minutes to fully wake up and you'll be able to use it afterwards. Solution number 2, if this didn't fix your issue, is to try charging your watch overnight. So take the cable, the original one if you have it, plug it in a power adapter, or if you have a power bar like this that has a USB type C or type A connector, plug it there, put it on your watch, and leave your watch this way at least 8 to 10 hours. Sometimes your watch battery is completely depleted and the only way to wake up your watch is to give it a full charge. So be patient, don't touch it, just let it charge 8 to 10 hours, come back to it, and again, fortunately, your problem will be gone. Okay, if it still didn't work, maybe the issue is the actual cable or charger. These over time can go bad. So try to borrow from a friend that also has an Apple Watch, a cable, and also their charger, just to see and make sure that the problem is coming from the actual charging hardware and not the watch itself. You can also, if your friend has an Apple Watch, simply bring your charger with you and try charging their watch with your charger just to see that it's actually working. I'll put links in the description, by the way, if you want to get one of these from Amazon, if you don't have another one. Now let's jump to the next tip, that is to put the watch in your freezer. Put it for 20 minutes. So don't remove the band, just let in your freezer, close the door of the freezer, wait 20 minutes, take it out, and then press both this button and that button the same way I showed you at first until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. If it didn't work, if nothing happened on the display, put it back for another 20 minutes and try again afterwards, okay, with these two buttons. Additionally, another trick is to take your thumb, okay, keep your Apple Watch in your hands like this and press on the display everywhere, on the corners, in the middle, on the sides. Sometimes there is a connector that can be disconnected inside of the watch, and by doing this we're simply reconnecting whatever was disconnected. Okay, so press, you won't break it obviously with your thumbs unless I don't know, you have super muscles in your thumbs. Do the same thing on the back as well. Press everywhere, especially in the middle, on the sides. And after doing this, take a microfiber, make sure you clean very well, okay, the back over here, because if it's dirty or it has too much grease from your hands or whatever, debris, it will not charge. And then go ahead, connect it on your Apple Watch charger, wait a few hours, and then while it's connected to the charger, press both of these buttons and see if the Apple logo is appearing, but it needs to be connected to the charger. Sometimes this helps. So thanks for watching. I hope this solved your problem. If you have any other tips on how to solve this issue, please leave a comment down below. If one of these worked, obviously I want to know, so leave a comment as well, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.